Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Grab essentials and build a 72-hour kit with water for 3 days, food, flashlight, and batteries. Once packed, map 2 evacuation routes and choose a clear family meeting spot outside the hazard area. Make sure everyone knows it. Take photos and digitize insurance and important documents, then save emergency contacts, 3 people at least. This immediate setup reduces chaos and gives you the mobility and documentation you'll need if the event forces a rapid exit. Next, reinforce where you live. Install shutters or plywood over windows and secure doors. Storm-rated film helps for wind-driven debris. Once done, elevate electronics and valuables and anchor bookcases and appliances to reduce toppling during quakes or floods. Make sure utilities are labeled and you know how to shut off gas, water, and electricity. Practice this action. Finally, set multi-source alerts, local app, NOAA feeds, and a battery radio, and assign clear roles so everyone knows who grabs the kit, who checks on. When an event hits, act. If authorities order evacuation, take your 72-hour kit, medications and documents, secure gas and electricity if time allows, then leave. After it's safe, document damage with photos, notify your insurer, and avoid unstable structures until inspected. If you can't reach help or power is out, use a charged power bank and conserve phone battery. Move to a neighbor's house with power or a community shelter if cellular service is down. This completes recovery steps and gives one practical fix when systems fail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.